Hello, and welcome to Learning with Sarah. I'm Sarah, and in this podcast, we talk about easy and effective ways to grow. Today, our topic is the power of daily English practice. At the end, I'll also review some useful words from this episode with simple examples. Let's begin. Many people ask, how can I learn English faster? The answer is simple. Practice every day. Daily English practice helps you improve step by step. You don't need to study for hours. Just 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Start with easy things. Look around and name what you see. Say, "This is my bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am eating." This helps you think in English and connect the language to your life. Listening is a good way to practice. Try listening to short English videos, podcasts, or songs. Listen to the same thing many times. When you listen often, you understand more and speak better. Reading is also helpful. You can read short stories, menus, signs, or even product labels in English. Try to read a little every day. This helps you learn new words and understand how sentences work. Writing is another great tool. Try writing 2 or 3 simple sentences every day. For example, today is a cold day. I made tea in the morning. I walked to the store. Writing helps you remember words and use them correctly. Speaking is very important. Try to speak English every day. You can talk to a friend, or you can talk to yourself. Say what you are doing. Say what you see. Don't be afraid of mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Sometimes you may feel tired or busy. That's okay. Just do one small thing. Maybe say one sentence or listen to one English phrase. A small step is better than no step at all. The most important thing is consistency. That means doing it again and again every day. Daily practice keeps your brain active. With time, you will feel stronger in English. And now, let's review some important words from today's episode. The first word is practice. It means doing something again and again to get better. Example, I practice English every day. The next word is improve. It means to get better at something. Example, you improve your English when you use it often. The next word is listening. It means hearing and understanding sounds or words. Example, I enjoy listening to English podcasts. Another word is vocabulary. It means the words you know and use. Example, reading helps me learn new vocabulary. And the last word is consistency. It means doing something regularly without stopping. Example, consistency helps me stay on track in learning English. Try using these words in your conversations this week. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about taking small steps every day. You can do it. Thank you for listening to Learning with Sarah. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who wants to learn English too. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.